One love, one love, one love. All hail Biafra, all hail Biafra. This one is sharp what I want to do. This is Mazo Konkwo speaking from my location. All hail Biafra, one love. Please share. When you get this message, simply share it. This particular message is going for keke drivers in Ebonyi State, in Oka. This particular message is going to Biafrans in the zoo. This particular message are going for stubborn keke drivers. We know some of the keke drivers we saw today along the Ebonyi State in Oka, some of the stubborn keke drivers are Fulani police. But we want to let all of you know that next Monday, no keke drivers must move the way. Next Monday, every stubborn keke driver don't dare to drive. Next Monday, all keke drivers must cease to drive in any part of Biafra land. All these keke drivers that you see running down Ebonyi State, where those keke drivers are the zoo police. So therefore, they are the target next upper Monday. We want every keke driver to hear this very clearly. Sit at home is sit at home. No keke driver, no taxi driver have right to move from one location to another. The information we are getting now is some of the keke drivers that we see on the road are Fulani police trying to break the rules of sitting at home. Next upper Monday, sit at home must be sit at home. Both goat, both animals, both chicken must sit at home. Any keke driver that wants his life to belong, next other Monday, both in Abakaliki, both in Ebonyi State, both anywhere your keke, if you see keke on the road, you are the enemy of the indigenous people of Biafra. So from next Monday, every keke drivers, before you come outside the road, say goodbye to your poor wife. All hail Biafra. Thank to DOS for keeping their words. Now, when I want to go to Igbo Nwereze, ihe ndị Igbo nidiri ime wee kpakọ onwe ha ọnụ, wee mata na Maazị Nnamdi Kanu bụ ọgaranya ngadanga onye nwa na-achị Nigeria as of now. Ịchọ kwee ya ọnụ, ịchọkwa na ya dịrị. But this message is for the keke. Ka nsụgharị ya n'Igbo. Unu ncha niile na-agba keke na Ebonyi State, na Anambra State, anywhere you are driving your keke, next Monday, park your keke. Any keke we see on the road is an enemy to the indigenous people of Biafra. Ibu onye eke na-arụzu ọrụ. Now, the greatest news we have today, those people that disappointed or disobeyed the order of sit at home, mostly are keke drivers. So next upper Monday, we are going to treat your fuck up. So if you are a keke driver, if your brother is driving keke, he should better park that keke next other Monday. Sit at home. Sit at home. And all of you that obey this particular order, tomorrow you are going to see how customers are going to come to you. You are going to see the miracle that will happen in your shops tomorrow. Anything you do, because you obey the ancestral heritage, you obey the laws of the land, you obey to pay back Maazị Nnamdi Kanu for all the good things he have done to you. Posafiagechi, you are going to see how market will flow. Bet me tomorrow. The kind of market you will sell, tomorrow. I am telling you this, but next upper Monday, every keke driver that tries to break this law of sit at home, you are the enemy of the indigenous people of Biafra. All hail Biafra. Mazo Konkwo from my own location. Thank you. Thank you to DOS. Thank you.